Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Giovanni.
I'm Giuliano.
And we're the owners of IcyyyPerformance. Today, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on the install of our smoked RGB taillights for the S550 Mustang.
All right, we're going to start off by taking out the old tail lights. Obviously, we already have the RGBs in there, but I'm going to pop them out just to show you guys how easy it is. Let's open up the trunk here. We're going to start off first. You're going to want to get your plastic cover off. All right, so we're inside the trunk here. You got your 2 screws on each side. Pop those guys right off. Same thing on the other side. It should be that easy. This whole plastic piece right here should just pop right off. Just give it a good pull. All right, you're good to go. Behind your taillight housing, you're gonna find 3 10mm bolts. We're gonna have to get those removed to get the taillight taken out. You've got 2 here, right next to your trunk, and 1 a little bit deeper. If you look up in there, you'll see it there. Go ahead and grab a 10mm socket wrench and we can get those taken out. You're gonna wanna pull out your factory harness. This little clip up here up top, go ahead and give it a push. It'll pull right out for you. All right, now we're good to go ahead and grab the taillight, pull it on out. If you look in here, you've got a little grommet. Go ahead and give it a squeeze. It'll pull right out, pull the housing out with it. You're good to go.
Now that we got the old taillights taken out, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall these in reverse order. Follow me over here. We're gonna feed the factory harness through the hole here. And be sure to secure the grommet. It should line up flush. Then you can go ahead and line up the threads here with the holes on this side. And the tail light should lock in flush as well. The nice thing about our tail lights is that there's no wiring necessary. Everything's plug and play, so you'll just take this tail light clip and plug it straight in. Then you can go ahead and retighten these 10mm bolts and you should be good to go. And just like that, guys, your RGB smoke taillights from IcyyyPerformance are installed. You have access to 200+ color changing modes, 6 different color changing modes on the turn signals, all accessible on an app on your phone.
You ready to hit the road?